Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Brain Pulse Academy. I welcome all of you to my grammar class. Now in today's class we'll understand a very interesting concept, but before that let me ask you one simple question. Do we say everyone loves me or do we say everyone love me? Which one is the correct form of the sentence? If you have told me the answer, everyone love me, you are absolutely wrong. The correct answer should be everyone loves me. So if you have taken a moment to give me the answer, that means you're already confused with the word everyone, everything, and all the other indefinite pronouns. That's why we are continuing with the topic subject-verb agreement. This is lesson number 4, which means lesson number 1 to 3 has already been completed. I request all of you to please check those links in the description. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like and share it with your loved ones. If you have any topics in your mind that you want me to explain or any suggestions that you have, you can drop those in the comment section below. If you like my videos, you can even comment those in the comment section below. I'd really love to read your comments. Let's stay till the end of the video because I always bring you quiz or practice session towards the end of the videos where you get to check whether you have understood the concept or not. So without further ado, let's start with today's class on the next rule of subject-verb agreement. Here we are with the first rule of today's class, which says the subject is going to be singular or it will be considered singular when modified by the words each and every. So if the noun present in the sentence is modified by words like each and every, we consider the subject singular. And that is why the verb that will be used will also be singular, which means the verb form will end with S. Now, what is a singular verb? What is a plural verb? What is singular subject, plural subject? All these things have already been covered in lesson number 1. So please go and watch that video. You'll have an understanding about subject, verb, and all the basic things. To understand this rule, let us have a look at few examples. We are with 3 examples over here. Let's have a look at the first example, which says, each boy and girl walks to the store. We have already seen when the noun of the sentence is modified by the word each or every. So here we have each, which is modifying the noun of the sentence. That's why the subject is what? The subject is going to be singular. And because the subject is singular, the verb that will be used will also be a singular verb. How do we know it's a singular verb? By adding S. So we are adding S to the verb walk. The base form of the verb is walk. Alright, so let's have a look at the second example, which says every car needs regular maintenance. So which is the noun of the sentence? We can see car is the noun which is modified by the word every. That's why the subject is considered singular. And because the subject is considered singular, we will use a singular verb. That means we will add S to the base form of the verb need. So the sentence says every car needs regular maintenance. The third example says what? It says each day brings new opportunities. Each day. Day is the noun over here, modified by the word each. That's why the subject is singular. We are going to use what? We'll use a singular verb, which is brings over here. So this is singular verb. So each day brings new opportunities. So next time you see the word each and every modifying the noun of the sentence, it will be considered singular subject and we will use a singular verb with it. Another thing that you should notice over here is we are using singular form of the noun. This is also something you should notice. We will use singular form of the noun. The noun is day. If it was plural form, we would have said days, but we will use singular form of the noun. I'll give you a bonus tip over here. If we see plural form of nouns, we will notice we are writing each of the. This concept will be explained later. So for today, you just need to remember this rule. Now it's time for us to go to the next rule. Here we are with the next rule, which says indefinite pronouns will use a singular verb. To understand this, we first need to understand what do we mean by indefinite pronouns. Here we are with the list of indefinite pronouns, which are anybody, either, neither, one, anyone, everybody, nobody, somebody, anything, everyone, no one, someone, each, everything, nothing, and something. By looking at the list, you can understand that indefinite pronouns do not talk about anything specific. They do not talk about anything specific. We don't know they are talking about he, she, they, whom. We don't know they're talking about which person or which thing. They're not definite, and that's why we call them indefinite pronouns, because the person or the thing is unspecified. Remember, unspecified. Okay. Another thing you need to remember over here is indefinite pronouns can be singular or plural. So here the list that I have given you belongs to singular indefinite pronouns. Singular indefinite pronouns. So today we will just learn about the singular indefinite pronouns and what kind of verb should be used with singular indefinite pronouns. But let us also see what comes under plural indefinite pronouns. So under plural indefinite pronouns, we have all, many, few, any, most, none, some, such. If you pay close attention, these are the words that talk about some amount or number. Okay, but don't worry, today we'll not talk about plural form of the indefinite pronouns and what kind of verb is used with it, because this is a little bit complex concept. That's why we will talk about it in the next class. Today, let us go and understand the rule related to singular indefinite pronouns. So here are a few examples related to singular indefinite pronouns. You remember the rule previously I showed you. Indefinite pronouns will have singular verb. Fine. So the first example says, everyone walks to the store. The word over here, everyone, belongs to indefinite pronoun. This is singular form. And because this is singular, we will use what? We'll use a singular verb, which is walks. Next sentence, everything comes back eventually. And we have the word everything, which is indefinite pronoun. We are going to use singular verb. Next sentence, nobody knows the answer to that question. Nobody is the indefinite pronoun over here, and it is singular. That's why the rule that follows is singular verb. Singular verb is what over here? Knows, because we are adding s to the base form of the verb know. So nobody knows the answer to that question. The last example, somebody needs to take out the trash. Somebody is again the indefinite pronoun. It is singular, and we will use a singular form of the verb, which is needs over here. Fine. Now you know what kind of verb should be used with everything and everyone and all the other indefinite pronouns which are singular. That is all for today. Now it's time for us to practice and check our knowledge related to the concepts that we have learned today. Here we are with question number 1 that says, every child dash a chance to play. Every child dash a chance to play. Is it deserves or is it deserve? The correct answer is deserves. We are going to use a singular verb over here. If you remember, the noun over here is child. We are modifying it with the help of the word every. That's why we will consider the subject singular and we will use a singular verb. Let's go to the next question. Next question is, everyone dash chocolate chip cookies. Everyone dash chocolate chip cookies. Love or loves? The correct answer is loves. We are using the word everyone, which is singular, and it is indefinite pronoun. That's why we are going to use a singular verb. Well done. So let's go to the last question. The last question says, somebody always dash to turn off the lights. Somebody always dash to turn off the lights. Forgets or forget? Which one is it? The correct answer is forgets, because this is the singular verb. Why you're using singular verb over here? Because we have the word somebody, and somebody is the indefinite pronoun. And what kind of indefinite pronoun is it? It is singular. And because this is singular, we are going to use a singular verb. Well done, everyone. Congratulations on completing today's practice round. I'm really proud of you for completing the task in each lesson. Make sure you're going back and watching the previous lesson plans to understand all the rules related to subject-verb agreement. Also, make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and you can contact me for one-on-one lessons. The contact details are given on the Facebook page. Keep watching my videos and keep learning new topics each week. I really appreciate you for attending my class. So thank you so much, and we'll meet in the next class.